Today, I'll walk you through how to delete a webhook in Make, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log in to Make by opening your browser, heading to the Make website, and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, click Scenarios in the left-hand navigation menu. This brings up a list of all your active and inactive scenarios. Take a moment to locate the specific scenario that uses the webhook you want to delete. You'll need to open it next. Click the name of that scenario to launch the scenario builder. Wait for the builder to load completely so all modules are visible. On the canvas, find the webhooks module. It's usually the very first module in your workflow, because it's the trigger that starts the scenario. Click on that webhook module to open its configuration window. Here you'll see the name of the currently selected webhook. Double-check that this is indeed the one you want to remove. A quick glance at the name will save you from accidentally deleting the wrong webhook later. Now click the Webhook drop-down menu inside the configuration window. Look for an option to manage or edit webhooks. This will open a list of all webhooks connected to your account or this scenario. Browse through the list until you find the target webhook. Once again, confirm the name carefully. When you're sure it's the right one, click the three dots or settings icon next to it. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Make will display a warning message explaining that the webhook will stop receiving any incoming requests. Read this notice so you understand the impact. Then click Delete or Confirm to proceed. Make will permanently remove the webhook from your account. After a moment, refresh the webhook list or simply check that the webhook no longer appears. Then return to your scenario and verify that the webhook module no longer references the deleted webhook. If your scenario still needs a webhook trigger, you can optionally create a new webhook and assign it to that module. Also, if external applications were sending data to the old webhook URL, you'll want to remove that old URL and replace it with a new webhook address if you created one. Finally, run a quick test of your scenario to make sure everything works smoothly. Check for any unexpected errors. Once you've confirmed it's all good, click Save to lock in your changes. You've now successfully deleted a webhook in Make, tidied up your workflow, and made sure everything is still running as it should. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!